Many have asked the question, and some are still asking the question of how much YouTube pays for 1000 video views. And in this video, we are going to answer that question. I'm going to answer that question. We are going to follow it both practical and theoretical. All right. So the first aspect is the theoretical part of it, whereby I explain some factors that affects how much YouTube pays. All right. Then after that, we move to my dashboard. Let me show you how much YouTube pay for different videos. All right, per 1000 views. First is the factors. There are some factors that affect this. One is the video form. All right. The form of a video plays important role. If, for example, you are creating YouTube Shorts, which is just vertical video that are less than 3 minutes, you're going to earn less per 1000 views. All right. If, for example, sometimes you may even earn just 2 cents or 3 cents or 5 cents or 11 cents by 1000 views. So, YouTube Shorts, there's no money in it, though it helps you to gather subscribers. But for long form videos that are horizontal and lengthier, maybe 8 minutes, 5 minutes videos, 7 minutes videos, or even 1 hour videos, you earn more from that. That's number one factor. Number two factor is the location of your audience, your viewers. Where are they watching from? All right. Viewers, when your viewers are watching from United States and some parts of Europe, you earn more because they understand more about how to utilize the internet. Something may be showed on the screen, an advertisement, when they are watching it, they click on it and go and purchase. Maybe the person is selling a product. But here in Africa, how often do we purchase something online? So it's a factor. So it depends on the purchasing power of the location. So if more of your viewers are coming from developed world, the Western world, you will make more money than when they are coming from Africa, like Nigeria, Ghana, or even some part of Asia, India. Man, don't go there. So this is another factor that affects how much YouTube pays per 1000 views on a video. Another factor that affects how much YouTube pays per 1000 view of a video on a video is the content type, or you can call it niche, all right, the category of the video. Finance videos and tech videos earn more when compared to some other types of video like lifestyle or vlogging. All right, so that plays an important role. So if you want to start content creation, that is another thing you need to consider before you go into that. Because if you are interested in money, then you have to think very well on the type of content you are going to create. Here, I create tech content, and from my views, I make something better and okay in return. That's it. Age of the viewers, how old they are, is another important factor that plays role when it comes to how much YouTube pays for 1000 views on a particular video. All right, the older the viewers, the more money the content creator is likely to make because it is believed that people that are older have more money to spend. Take, for example, a guy of 15 years is watching my content, and at a point, an advert is shown on some services to purchase based on his search history on YouTube. All right. That guy, that boy of 40 years, may not be able to have the money to buy that. But for a man of maybe 50 years or 55 years, it's believed that he or she is working, that he is working already. So he can click on that ad and make purchase of that particular product. So that is how age plays important role on how much a YouTuber, or let's say a video earns on YouTube. The last factor that determines how much YouTube pays per 1000 view on a video is how long people stay on that video. That is what you call video retention. If, for example, a video is 8 minutes long, and on average, people watch for just 1 minute, you're not going to earn much from that video. But for a video of the same 8 minutes long, and people watches that video for at least 2 minutes, you will earn more on that video per 1000 views because when people stay more, adverts are being played. And when ads are played on that video, the creator makes money. So that's another factor. But for someone that watches a video for 20 minutes without watching an ad and then leave, that means the video will end less. So these are the factors. But now let's go straight to the practical aspect. Let me show you some of my videos and how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views on those videos. Let's get to the screen. Okay, so I'm on my dashboard, so I'll select content to get to the video I want to use for this. You understand? Okay, look at this video. So let me get to the analytics. I published it on August August 5th, which was the first day of getting monetized on this YouTube. So from here, this has generated 2.1k views and 51.8 watch hours, 45 subscribers, and it has earned $3.56 so far. All right. So from here, you can see, let's scroll down to see if we can find out the average duration. You can see this minute video is 8 minutes video, 8 minutes 20 seconds. And on average, people watches this for 1 minute 29 seconds, which is not much. Though not bad, but not much. So on average. So this is another a factor that will affect the earnings of this video. So let's get to the revenue to see some things. So on this revenue page, you can see how much advertisers pay for this video. All right, you can see advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. Advertiser pay $5.82 for every 1,000 views on this video. And from this, how much advertisers pay, which you call cost per mile, okay, that's CPM, I'm being paid some part of this money. The standard according to YouTube is 55% of this money, of this amount. So but let's get to this section: video performance, revenue for every 1,000 views, 1k views, which is revenue per mile. All right, so this is $1.71. That means for every 1,000 views, I, the creator, is paid $1.71. But if you go down here now, from this money advertisers pay, you know I supposed to get more than $2.50, which is 55%. But here is less. Why is it less? Because of the retention. People don't stay till the end of the video. So this is on the condition that people stays till the end of the video. So that's how what they used to calculate the amount they pay per 1,000 views. This number can vary. Likewise, this depending on the retention and some other factors, locations of the viewers. All right. So and time they stay and the age. So the factors I mentioned initially. Okay. So let's get to audience to see where these viewers are watching from. So viewers of this video of you can see Nigeria, 20% are from Nigeria, which also is a factor that affects the earnings on the video. All right. This followed by United States. If to say that United States is the one that has this 20% here, or I will earn much more because that is a rich country and they have high purchasing power. So another African country follows Ghana with 1.7%, India with 1.1%, and South Africa with 1.0%. All right. So these are the factors, and this is how much I earn per 1,000 views on this video, which is what is here. Where is it? $1.71 for every 1,000 views. But as I said, this value can change anytime. It can go up, it can go down, depending on some factors. All right. So let's go and experiment with another video. Okay, this one, how to avoid Amazon KDP account termination. So let's take a look at that. Okay. I published this video 2 days after the monetization, which was on 7th of August. So let's go to analytics to see what is inside there. Okay, you can see this video has gotten 2.2k views, 2,200 views so far. It has given me 75.7 watch hours and has brought in 31 subscribers to this channel. And on average, I have earned estimated revenue of $12.21 on this video. All right. So the retention rate of this video is higher than the previous one, which is $2.06. That's cool. All right, for 11 minutes video. All right, so let's go and take a look at some other things. So we click on the revenue tab to see some other information here. First is how much advertisers pay. Here, advertisers pay $16.52 for 1,000 views on this video, which is much higher than the previous one. All right, I think it's because Amazon as a word is attached to this content because it's a big e-commerce platform. All right, so from this $16.52, as a creator, I'm being paid $5.68 per 1,000 views. You can see that how high it is. Though if we calculate 55% of this money, it should be more than this. It should be maybe $9. All right. But I get this reason because of the retention, how long people stay to watch the video. That's another factor. So if they say everybody that visits this video watches to the 11 minutes 51 seconds, then I'll make much money, maybe $9 per 1,000 views. All right, but it's still okay because you can't get it 100% no matter how good you are. Some people will live along the line. It's normal. Okay, so let's get to the audience to see another factor that contributes to this earning. Audience. So down here we can see United States has 24%. That's what I was telling you initially. The countries where the viewers are coming from. Then another one, Nigeria, 9.99%, followed by India, followed by United Kingdom, another developed country in Europe. All right, South Africa follows. Then can we take a look and see if we can find the age of people that views this video? Let's see if we can find that information. We click here. There's okay, viewers age. So okay, viewer age. Okay, there's no enough data inside this. Okay, so if they have enough data with time, they will maybe when the video gets to 5,000 views or 10,000 views, they may have this data. So we use that to determine. But here, the data is not made available. So these are the factors you need that affects earning on YouTube. 1,000 views, how much you earn on 1,000 views. So if you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, hit the like button and then leave a comment. If you have question about this, just leave a comment. Okay, I will give you feedback. Watch the video at the top part of this screen to learn more on some things about content creation on YouTube. Thank you and see you some other time.